Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to talk about something that your bank probably won't tell you about, investing in the stock market. Are you tired of keeping your hard-earned money in the bank and earning a measly interest rate? Do you want to explore investment options that could potentially give you higher returns? Then, stay tuned because this video is for you. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. What is the stock market? Well, it is a market where public company stocks are traded and bought by investors. When you buy a specific amount of stocks at a certain price and the price increases, you make a profit. Simple, right? Benefits of investing in the stock market. Now you know that what the stock market is, let's talk about its benefits. Firstly, investing in the stock market gives you the opportunity to earn higher returns than keeping your money in the bank. Secondly, it's a great way to diversify your portfolio and spread your risk. Those are just a few of the benefits of investing in the stock market. How to start investing in the stock market? Investing in the stock market might seem complicated, especially if you're a beginner. But the good news is that it's not as difficult as it seems. You can start by opening a brokerage account, doing your research on the market, and investing in blue-chip stocks or exchange-traded funds, ETFs. Risks of investing in the stock market. As with any investment, there are potential risks involved in investing in the stock market. However, the key is to do your research and invest wisely. Some of the risks include market volatility, company-specific risks, and economic risks. Tips for successful investing. To be a successful investor in the stock market, you need to have the right mindset and strategy. Some of the tips for successful investing include having a long-term view, diversifying your portfolio, and understanding your risk tolerance. There you have it, folks, a beginner's guide to investing in the stock market. Remember, investing in the stock market is a great way to potentially earn higher returns. However, do your research, invest wisely, and be patient.